Thank you for opening the video, guys. I'm just going to let you guys know one or two things about Jamaica. Never be afraid of doing anything that you've been dreaming of all your life. If I was to listen to some of the things and the naysayers and it can't be done, I would have never kept on moving. My husband and I, we've been through a lot through this whole process. If you could see, this building is a 3-story building. I started off with the first floor. We went ahead. He let me do whatever I want with it pretty much, but the first floor had 3 bedrooms, more like half 3 bedrooms at this point, and that's completed, but the other 2 floors are not. We're still working on it. We had a little mishap here and there every now and then. Sometimes we just hold back because we're not sure where we're heading with it. But anyway, for instance, now I'm about to head home. I'm completing it. Some of these videos are a little bit older, but I'm just letting you guys know. Never stop doing what you want to do because someone else tell you can't do it, or be afraid because people say, oh, people's going to rob you, people's going to this. If you have to take a week or two each month, or more like, I wouldn't say each month, but each year, to go down and even do each floor or a room or whatever you can do, wherever your pocket can reach, you go right ahead and do it. All I'm saying is do not give up on your dream, and do not wait for Jamaica to be all sold off before you start saying, oh, I wish I had bought something, or I wish I had had something, especially when you're from there, because I'm telling you, the foreigners are taking over. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe, and turn the notification bell on. Thank you for watching. Bless.